Jotend rowere mag mbalariany kaachiel kod jood bura mar rowere ogolo okenge mabiro konyo piny owacho e kedo gi midhiero mosebedo ka neno e pacho ka. E romo mane gibago e kar tiegruok mar Kenya School of Government, gigolo okengego kamoting'o kedo kod mibadhi, ndiko rowere e tije kod keto arita ne jogo magolo maling'ling' mar mibadhi. Jood bura ma Manyatta Mukunji John Mwaniki, ma bende en jakom od bura ma ochung'ne rowere, kod nyawadgi mar Senate Helenia Lemanlentian ne oyango ni rowere nyaka sani keda ne yudo kombe mag siasa pachoka, kendo piny owacho nyaka ne ni ochoko pach rowere okenge duto ma piny owacho tayo.
Whether it's EACC, whether it's Office of the Auditor General, whether it's the IPOA, NCIC, Public Audit Committee, National Assembly at the Senate, all different committees thereof, ODPP must be independent. I think it has been a very dark point on this platform today. I want to belabor that.
The problem with our country is in the mindset. Because I love one suggestion that we scrap off the campaign fees, the handouts during campaign, yeah? Have you ever seen anybody dishing out money in the US, in the American politics? In the US politics, no. In a lot of established democracies, globally, even the West, we have never seen. In fact, we saw somebody in France, leaving his seat and going home on a bike. In the UK, the same thing. Rudi kwenu vile ulikuta. Because a leadership is not an opportunity for self-enrichment.
I also agree 100% with all of you that I also put my name and by an affirmation that I agree with all those recommendations that have been given by all of you. But let me say that it is a start of the journey. We cannot just speak in a room, then leave. We need to have actions, we need to have steps.